Tswyza show, baby. Check it out. Welcome to the Tswyza show, where we dropping these bars like Geronimo, where we have a conversation with one that anticipated an artist you nominated like a while ago. Yo, I might have walked into a trap got trapped in the rap trap. Now the trap is trapped. I track the trap, I trap. Now the trap is trapped. I'm losing track of name and your dialing code.
I'm really not a guy that they know on the internet. They got my love shit. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm swag and I'm too fresh and I'm elegant. I'm getting clever, but I'm big as an elephant. Came with a spaceship porch, I'm alien. I'm too sly, too fly. I'm pelican, the hardest of my generation. And it's evident, too lazy, we like,
Usimamane, your English like Usimamane. You know the former DJ politician with vision, side of the mission, the division in a political party. My point is the beef is a little bit of politics. Trying to run the streets, money, power, and the dominance. Wanna be the chief, you devour the conglomerate. Are you making peace or what's the level on the bomb?
It doesn't matter, I'm trying to stack my cheese. I cannot speak, but every week I get on a level they cannot reach. I'm gang ties like it's MOB, this boy ain't cheap. As long as the old lady happy, then maybe I'll find my peace. Get the money, then I get away. Hated by the game, but I gotta play. I don't wanna stay, still the heavy weight, going hard till I see the grave still running. Get this my house, man, they got away.
Like, damn, why they really hating on my man? Is it the best male award from Metro FM? Is it the Ricky Rose collaboration you made, or the co-sign that got you international fame? Check, let's take it back to the track and clack the platinum plaque. In fact, there's a track called Check 3 times back to back. Haters say the track is whack. Joe, how you really feel about that?
I don't really feel no way. As long as I'm getting paid, I'm working on a visa for a tour in USA. If rap game was a school test or an exam, then I would have been a kid with hella A's. I'm hella great. Thought I was a fluke, but it's inside my DNA. All thanks to that song's me falling off. They are mad wrong. I'm still the hardest, yeah, but main reason they mad for. I bring depth on the table. I'm here to stay like Drake and Turks and Caicos. I'm putting you up in pit. As I long in bed, so I was born with sage.
I was just chilling and minding my business while swapping my fingers up on my cell. I scrolled for a minute when I saw an image with your name up in it, ngangena loud. On them Swanko Franco's page, written copy and paste as an OG, I couldn't tell. Nkailung Chow, who's biting whose style? Antoine Pelazal.
It's trap. Who the hell Swanko? What the hell he done?
Damn.
What else he gonna do? His mouth is the only thing he run. Mali Ami Tessa Jango Swish. Mama Lamil Mati Jango Fish. They be teaming up on the Durban boys. Me falling off Bazo Clinepis.
Man, speaking of change, I went on your page and saw something strange. You were rhyming on a boom bap beat, becoming of age. Man, you went on the rampage, maybe trap was a cage. Are you ready to engage your fan base?
They once no boom bap sound was my old steez. That's why they used to do once I say little shit. But of course, I went commercial, so couldn't be wrong no more, cause of radio on TV.
Well, if you're thinking of going the route and beat, the stakes will only get higher than a parachute release. The latitudes increase, the views a beast. But in the streets, the real MCs will see you as a feast. All your shoes are big enough size for Tim's to full defeat. Are you ready for a new chapter? A story in this category. It's mandatory to hold your own, or you'll be inventory. Moral of the story is glory. Well, if your raps are corny, judging by that Ghost Part 3, got mad respect for
Still
homie.
the baby boy, the loony child. See my main, since I grow the dreads, the same my resemblance is Jermaine. Me and bro never rest, but if we are, it's Pinky and the brain. I've seen stuff coming up my mama did, I'll take that to the grave. And ever since I came up, it's always been foot up on their neck. Always keep a white to the bone, it's like I'm selling crack. Everything I own in my family, yeah, I am the first. Everything my family gon' get, it's me that bro the curse. Get low, see I say my name.
An angel with wings and global reach that flew to Dubai. Collab with Rick Ross and wanna beef while niggas are pissed and changing sheets, cause you're getting love from the streets. How do you handle the pressure when negativity from peeps?
I stay cool, calm, collected the beef. Uber collected the goat, they never accepted the ghost. Surrounded by serpents, I got a solo for golden goose. The majors cannot purchase, they feel like I'm not deserving. I always have me a purpose.
Thank you for pulling up, really appreciated. You eradicated, obliterated, and annihilated it. Just rise above the negative comments for those who hated it. I rated if it's easy to make, we'll all be paid for it. Tswyza, Usimamane, it's the Tswyza show.